18. Do not have a lot of refined carbohydrates. Not all carbohydrates are created equally. Refined carbohydrates have been highly processed and high fiber has been eliminated. They are low in nutrients and high calories and can be extremely harmful. Studies show that refined carbohydrates have related to avoid and numerous metabolic issues. 19. Do not be afraid of saturated fats. There were others. Saturated fats was a mistake. It is true that saturated fat increases cholesterol, but also increases HDL, the good cholesterol, and changes the DLD from small to large, which is really to lower risk of heart disease. New studies that include hundreds of thousands of people have shown that there is no realistic better the consumption of saturated fats and heart disease. 20. Live healthy. Drink. Live when is one of the best things you can do to strengthen your body and improve your body composition. It has also led to massive improvements in metabolic health, including better insulin sensitivity. The best approach is to go to a gym and lift weights, but exercise with body weight can be used as effective. 21. Avoid artificial trans fats. Artificial trans fats are harmful fats made by man. They are a strong link to inflammation and heart disease. It is best to avoid them like the plague. 22. Use a lot of years and space. There are many incredible healthy years and spices out there. For example, ginger and turmeric have protein, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, leading to several health benefits. You must make an effort to include as many herbs and spices as you can. Many of them can have beneficial effects on your health. 23. Take care of your relations. Social relationships are incredibly important, not only for your mental well-being but also for your physical health. Students show that close people with friends and family members are healthy and live much longer than those with are not. 24. Keep track of your food intake from time to time. This is important to know how many calories you are eating. It is also essential to make sure that you have enough protein, fiber, and micronutrients. Students know that people rotate their food intake in one way or another to be more sustained or at least losing weight and following a healthy diet. Basically, need that increase your awareness of what you are will probably help you influence a personal health trait of every head for a few weeks in a row every 5 months. They know itself where to make and how to get close to my goals. 25. If you have excessive bell fat, get rid of it. Not all body fat is same. It is mainly defined in the abdominal cavity, the abdominal fat which causes problems. This fat accumulates around the organs and is strongly linked to metabolic disease. For this reason, the size of your waist can be a much stronger made for your health than the number on the scale, reducing carbohydrates, healthy more protein, and healthy loss of fiber are excellent way to get rid of abdominal fat. This article leads says evidence-based way to lose belly fat. 26. Do not go to a diet. Diets are notorious ineffective and rarely work well in the long. Intense all follow a diet try to adopt a healthy lifestyle. Contrast on note your body in terms of depriving it with low salt continued as natural side effect of better food selection and better metabolic health. 27. Health else and do not throw the your World Health are some nutrition that they are often called multivitamins of nature. It is a myth that they are bad for you because of cholesterol studies show that they have no effect on the blood cholesterol in most people. In addition, a massive range of studies that include individuals found type A consumption and no association with the risk of heart disease. What we have left is one of the most nutritious foods of the planet, and the yours is where almost all the nutrients are found. Telling people to pull the yurt is one of the worst advice in the history of nutrition.